Sue, I'm Mariah with the Bridge Media, and this is the first take of our out-of-town getaway series. And today I'm coming to you from Williams, Arizona. When that movie comes out, everyone should come here. That would be great. I've noticed these dollar bills everywhere around here. What's the story behind all of the dollar bills?
People just like to come in, see us, put their names on them, leave them here so that in hopes one day they can come back and check them out.
Going to the top. Going to the top. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sean with the Bridge. We're out at Coaster Adventure Park in Williams, Arizona. This is the new mountain coaster park here in Williams, and it's one of the greatest places to get away from Havasu for a day and come have some fun in the cool.
I've eaten here, it is so good. Everyone here seems to be so friendly and welcoming, so I don't think you can have a bad time. That's mine.
She's eating my lens cleaner.
You can bring them here with you so they can get the excitement of Williams as well. Can I get a I love Elvis. Oh my gosh! We're gonna join the Canyon Club over here, make it official, and we're gonna put our dollar on the wall. Let's see where we wanna do it at. Let's put it next to the We ID, because we're all 21 and over here, and we know that's important. That didn't work.
Make sure to watch the rest of the video. We got a whole tour of the park, and we'll take you for some amazing rides.
That's right, we got tired of the heat, so we skipped town, and now we're in Williams on Main Street. Can I just say, early in the morning, it smells like breakfast. Come see this amazing park along with everything else to do in this great little town and get out of the heat for a day. See you guys on our next weekend getaway.